What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be rolling Luis's fenders to make these wheels fit. We also bought a heat gun at the DIY store. That was not that bad. What was it, like 40 bucks?
Like 40 bucks.
Not bad for a heat gun. We got the jack ready. We're hoping we don't have to take the calipers off. If we do have to, it's not a big deal. We would just rather not. We're gonna get started on this.
Looks pretty good quality.
Ready.
Mess up my vehicle when it's for sale.
Hot. So if all goes well with the fender rolling, I did bring my spanner wrenches, so we can definitely drop the front a little more, just depending on how everything goes. Do you have a jack stand? No. You don't?
Go get a log.
Actually, we should probably clean the inside first. That way no rocks get stuck in there and then fuck it up. You have a towel?
Yeah, in my trunk.
Here. So looking at it, it looks like we won't have to take off the caliper, which is a big plus. That saves us a lot of time. This heat gun is really heating up the fender pretty quickly. We're just gonna get in there and I'm gonna use my waterless wash to clean the inside of the lip inside of there. You don't want rocks getting rolled up in there and then having them pop out of the fender here.
That smells nice.
It smells like blueberry.
Yeah.
First one rolled, so that one's done. Wasn't that bad actually. It was
Quite flat right now, right here.
The caliper here, like stopped us at the edge here, but it like stopped almost
so it
halfway.
stops right here.
So it's not bad.
That's as much as we could go on that side, but honestly it wasn't that bad. I tried this once in the fall and I failed at it because obviously we couldn't get the fender hot enough. But on a nice sunny day like this, it literally took us like 5 minutes to really get it hot, and then just to roll them was like another 5-10 minutes.
Show him your fingers.
And then he got burned.
Show him your fingers. So this gun actually turned out pretty good. 40 bucks,
It
guys.
burned dongo. Bucks to burn your finger.
Alright, so I decided I'm gonna go lower.
Well, that's just what we're gonna do. We were telling Luis that these coilovers are super easy to lower. The ones on my car and Ongo's car, they take forever. The coilover is now lowered. We went down about 1.5 inches. Hopefully that looks really good. It looks like he's gonna be able to tuck these wheels, but we're also gonna check, make sure we don't have any issues afterwards. But let's go ahead and throw on the wheel. Just go.
Went through all this trouble just to put on the spare.
Dude, at least you won't have the issue with these, you know?
What do you mean?
Remember how your old wheels would just lose air pressure?
Dude, all the time. It's because they were super knockoff.
Hi, baby Mia. Hi. Hi. So there's the fronts, all lowered, all rolled. Looks pretty good. You just gotta get that new lip on again.
It looks like this, like.
The front fenders, it's a little easier to work with because you don't have to pull the fender out as much. As you can see, this front tire actually tucks in the fender, and then when you look at the rears, it actually pokes just a little bit. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna work out. We might have to pull them out just a little bit, but I think we can make it work for sure. It's not too difficult.
seeing him finally do something.
We're gonna get started unrolling the rears. I think we're just gonna roll all of them at this point and then just show them afterwards, right? Honestly, it isn't as tough as I thought it was. The first time I thought it was, but this time everything's going pretty smoothly, and it should take us about 15 minutes on each side, just like the fronts did. So there's the rears all done. We had to flare this side a little out, like I mentioned earlier. That way the wheels can tuck in a little more.
Ooh, that looks good.
They're tucking a little, huh?
That's good, man. That is crazy.
Hopefully that's good enough. Crazy.
Dude, the other one's worse.
When we first got here, I couldn't put my finger in there, dude. You can actually do it now.
Show them this one. Show them the comparison to this one. This was not even from half a day of driving. Look what it was doing to the tire already.
Crazy.
That's it?
Is that it? Is that it?
Yeah. That doesn't look right.
That does not look the same. So there's the last wheel. It's on. The car is lowered from the front just a little bit now. As soon as Luis gets some smaller sizes, then we can go a little lower than that. But car looking good.
Except for that.
No lift. Damn, it's looking so good. Super excited that we were able to get all the fenders rolled. Getting everything rolled and lowering the front took us about an hour and a half, which isn't terrible. It's our first time doing it. And honestly, for anyone trying to do this, it's really not that hard. Okay. I do recommend that if you are gonna do this to your car, make sure you have a heat gun. That definitely saved us in the long run. It got the fenders nice and warm so we can roll them. And the warmer they are, the faster they get rolled. So as far as chipping, we had a little bit of chipping on the right side. Nothing too crazy, but we're gonna throw something that way it doesn't rust on there. Tried stealing my waterless wash.
It's mine. I paid for this.
You paid for it, didn't you? I need to see a receipt, buddy.
I need to see your receipt, buddy.
So now that everything is rolled, let's go ahead and check. Let's go ahead and check out Luis's car. Damn, so Luis's car is looking 10 times better now that it's out of the driveway. What do you think, dude? Do you like it?
I love it, man.
Can you notice the front being a little lower now?
A lot. And then I don't have any more problems getting out of the drive. And then on bumpy streets, literally as soon as I
It didn't rub at all?
Not at all.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Damn.
I think we did a pretty damn good job.
Dude, it looks so good. Once you get that lip back on there, whew, you'll be set. If you guys are digging Luis's new look, make sure to give a comment down below. Let us know what you guys think and give this video a thumbs up. We're gonna go ahead and call it a day here. We will